Hi everybody, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all having a blessed day. We are getting to the end of September. So sad. I've made so many great things for myself and I can't wait to show you all the rest of my things that I've made. Christian, hi girlfriend. She came on and she made a cup that is they're so adorable. And I had just 2 sheets of my Disney left. I had a tickets page and I had a castle page, which I am not going to be using the castle page on anything yet. I'm going to wait. But I took my last sheet of my ticket page and I made this gorgeous, cute cup. Look at that, everybody. So I tried the acetate, but it didn't work to hold my Mickey glove up, so I just used some wire. And this is the paper. It's all tickets. My handle should have probably went right here, but that's okay. These were from the cutter parts. That's more tickets. I had this wonderful doily sent to me. I forgot by whom. I'm sorry. I put some metal decorations here, a little